understanding cosmic logic can make our lives more comfortable, happy, blissful, luxurious. I tell you, even one or two principles, ideas of cosmic logic, if you grasp internally, the very brain structure, physical structure will change. Not just the way you cognize things, the very physical structure of the brain will change for better. Just one principle. You don't have death. You just move to another body. This one principle. It's actually a reality. Understand? You have only one birth. You are born and you are dead. This is binary logic. Stupid. Too cheap. Too poor. Too mediocre. This one birth theory is such absolute mediocre. In scientific age, people should not be caught in this stupid superstition of one birth theory. One birth theory is superstition. Understand? Just if you cognize this multiple births, your vision for your life is just expanded. Fundamental principles to understand the cosmic logic is Upanishads. See, this cosmic logic, how the cosmos functions. Hinduism is cosmic constitution. If you want to live in a country, you need to understand that country's constitution. If you want to live powerfully in the cosmos, you need to understand the cosmic constitution. Why do you think in every country lawyers are the most powerful people? Because they understand the cosmic, they understand that country's constitution. And they know, because of their knowledge about the country's constitution, they have the power to play with it. So they become powerful. If you understand the cosmic constitution, you become powerful in the whole cosmos. Even if you understand one or two cosmic logic and internalize, like this theory of reincarnation. I should say not theory, the truth of reincarnation and truth of the source material of all of us, truth of the action and reaction as per the cosmos, the karma, cosmic logic, as per the cosmic logic, actions and reactions and effects and side effects, the karma, theory of karma. Just these few basic cosmic principles, if you understand, you will get out of all your worst delusions. The thing, we are all made of stuff called consciousness. Isha Vasyamidagum Sarvam. First Upanishad, First verse. I tell you. Science is slowly catching up. Recently I read an article where they are trying to establish very powerfully the whole universe itself is a giant brain. I'll project the article link. I want all of you to read this link. The universe itself is a giant brain and it may be conscious, says scientists. The physicists, scientists researching on consciousness as a universal force, a broad field referred to as panpsychism. They are coming to a conclusion. The universe itself is a giant brain and it may be conscious. Now only scientists are trying to tell it may be conscious. I don't know how many thousands of years before, the first statement our rishis make is Idaggun sarvam Ishavasam idaggun sarvam, means conclusion. They are not saying may be conscious. No, it is conclusion. I tell you. Brain of a human being which can internalize, which has understood this one truth. The whole, whatever exists, we are all made out of a fabric called consciousness. Alive, living, responsible and able to respond, perceive, exist, respond, survive, expand. We are all made of that fabric called consciousness. I tell you, the human being who has not grasped this cosmic principle, the human being who has grasped this cosmic principle by internalizing and doing manana, Shravana, Manana, Nividhyasana, listening, internalizing and start manifesting. The brain shape will be different. I am not talking about just the brain, the way brain functions. The physical shape of the brain will be changed when you understand and internalize, manifest the cosmic principle. Soon, people, scientists who are working in the field of neurology, with their help, I myself will establish this truth. When you listen and internalize and manifest cosmic logic, cosmic principles. Not only the way your brain functions, even the physical hardware, the size and shape and the way the brain exists becomes better and different. Different and better. Please understand. Studying Upanishads, internalizing cosmic logic and cosmic principles directly makes your balance sheet better. Your energy levels high. The way you exist, it makes your life more comfortable, more luxurious, more happy, more blissful and more